Today I want to go over with you some tools and resources that I use personally in my land business to make my job much easier, make me more efficient, and more productive. If this is your first time tuning in, man, please make sure you subscribe to my channel if you really like the content. Make sure you also hit that like button. It helps me out tremendously. Thank you so much.
I love you. Thank you for the heart. I love you.
In real estate, there's so much noise about what you actually need in order to be successful in real estate. But today I want to simplify all of these for you because these tools and resources are really all you need to be successful in real estate. And it doesn't even cost that much. The first tool that I use in my business is PropStream. So PropStream is a data service that I use pretty much to get access to data of people in the county that I'm in to get the records. As you guys know, I'm a land investor, so I pretty much look for landowners in the specific county that I'm in so that I can be able to market to them, send them letters, cold call, text, whatever it is. PropStream is a great tool because they actually update their services. They update their records every single 30 days, so you're getting the most accurate data at all times. The second tool that I use is the GIS map. As you know, land sometimes doesn't have an address. So you're just gonna have like street name, but it doesn't have like a street number. So it's very hard to locate. Using the GIS map, I'm actually able to locate where the land is, see what's surrounding it, and potentially find an address to a property that's surrounding it and post it on a regular map to get a better idea, a better location of the property. So the GIS map is usually free. Most counties usually have one that's free, but you can also get paid ones such as LandGlide and Land ID, also known or previously known as MapRight. The GIS map, man, is awesome because, especially if you land, because it helps you get an overall idea of where the land is. And on top of that, you get to be able to, and on top of that, it has a lot of other tools and resources inside that map that you can use to make your life just easier. The other tool that I want to go over with you that I use, and this is like really important. You have to get this from the beginning. It's a CRM, also known as a customer relationship management system. This is going to be where you're going to be inputting all the leads that you have built in. And every call that you made and somebody expressed interest in selling the property, this is where you're going to place that lead. And it's really important that you have this tool because it's going to help you keep track of these leads so that you don't lose them and so that you don't lose money. As you guys know, the money is in the follow-up. So you having track of these leads or you having a place to put these leads puts you in a better position to follow up with these leads to see if they're still interested in potentially make a deal with them. You can use a free one like I was before. I was using index cards, guys. I was literally using index cards, writing it down, the phone number, the address, all of that. But then once you make a deal or two happen, you can go ahead and move towards a pay system. Now I use Pipedrive, and there's a lot of other systems out there that you can use. So please make sure that you get a CRM system if you don't have one already, or make sure you start one if you weren't using it. You can also use Zillow and Redfin to get access to what the property is worth. So I like using Zillow and Redfin, it's free. You can also use realtors to get an estimate of what they think the property is worth since they have like a system that's more accurate. But I've been using Redfin and Zillow for years and it's been doing pretty well for me. Last but not least, and since I told you guys that if you stick to the end, you're gonna get a bonus. Last but not least is Landmaster.us. Landmaster.us is a tool, is a resource that I use in my business to make pictures or have them do little tasks for me that I don't want to get done. And I love using these people because, well, it kind of sounds bad when I say it like that, but I love using their service because they don't charge that much. It's like $3 an hour. Sure, okay, my time is worth way more than $3 an hour and I don't want to do none of this. And they do a pretty job with like listings and advertising, pictures and all of that. I've been using them for years. Great tool and resource. So thanks for making it all the way to the end, guys. That's all I use in my business. And I hope you can be able to implement any of these tools in your business as well to make your life as easy as possible while navigating through this real estate space. In other words, man, I hope you have a great day. Thanks for tuning in and stay tuned for the next one.